Hello, welcome to Lou Cookbook. Today I will show you a simple way to pan fry sea bass fillet together with a little mushroom and sweet onion pieces. Although I use sea bass here, you can cook other types of fish fillet such as tilapia or salmon. I like to buy the 1 pound bag of sea bass fillet from Trader Joe. First, thaw the fillets in water and then pat them dry with a cotton towel or paper towels. Now, cut some mushrooms and sweet onion into small pieces and set aside. Place a large skillet pan on a medium-high heat for 15 seconds so the pan becomes hot. Then add in moderate amount of olive oil and evenly spread out the whole bottom. I try to use only medium heat so not to heat the olive oil too much. Put in the fillet with skin side on the bottom. And cook for about 5 minutes. Now, use a flat spatula to gently flip the fillet over. Some people like to use a non-stick pan so it's easier to flip the fillet with the skin intact, but I try to avoid using any non-sticky pans. Now, add in some ground black pepper and salt. Cook for another 2 minutes. Now flip the skin sides to the pan bottom again. Add in mushroom and onion pieces around the fillet. Add in ground black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Cook for another 3 minutes. Gently stir the vegetables. Now, plate them out and enjoy the pan-fried sea bass. Thanks for watching Lou Cookbook. See you next time.